Hi there. So in today's video, I'm going to try and recreate a beautiful manicure I saw on Pinterest. Basically, it used 3 Essie shades. I'm on an Essie kick right now. I fell in love with their winter collection, and ever since then I've been trying to utilize different looks out of that collection. I have 3 colors from the winter line, and basically I saw a photo of a girl who used Twinkle in Time. So here's Twinkle in Time, and then Beachy Keen, and You Do Blue, and she layered these 3 shades to create a beautiful at-home manicure. So stay tuned to see how I try to recreate this look on Pinterest. Okay, so I feel like to get the full effect of how it looks so blended in the Pinterest photo, you might actually have to blend the base colors and then layer the shimmer coat on top. So what I just did is I poured the Beachy Keen and the You Do Blue, and I'm going to mix them and put that on as my bottom coat. Okay, and to mix polish, I just got the bottom part of the melon. This is from like some cantaloupe, the top part of it, because I'm going to throw this out when I'm done. And then I got a plastic knife. So I'm going to swirl the colors together. Okay, so now they are swirled together. I'm gonna go put 2 coats of this down. This is looking very lavendery. I might add some more pink to pop the pink out. Okay, so those 2 colors together made a really pretty lavender. I want the second coat to be a little more pink. So I added more pink, and I'm gonna just kind of swirl it, not blend it. So the 2 colors are still going to be coming through. So this is second coat with more pink. Okay, so on my left hand, I did it more streaky, so the purple's coming through underneath the more pink layer. So this is what it looks like before I'm going to apply the top coat. Exactly tell in this lighting, but I think I got it.